Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable professional mode on Facebook. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So, to disable professional mode on Facebook, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So first, go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, tap the three-dot menu right here at the top right. Then, scroll down through the options until you find Turn Off Professional Mode. Just tap on it. Facebook will then show you some information about what happens when you disable professional mode. So if you're sure you want to turn it off, just follow the confirmation steps and confirm your choice. And that's it, guys. Professional mode will now be disabled on your Facebook account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.